Disclaimer. If you think this is an entertainment video, then this video is not for you. Today we are sharing with you a very important topic which is killing many of our career and lifestyle. I will need your full damn concentration to watch the entire video with patience. And if you think you have a good self-control, I challenge you to watch this highly intense video with focus till the end. So hello guys. How are you my friends? Do you know, research says your self-control is decreasing day by day. Yes, your self-control is decreasing massively. So we will discuss what role self-control plays in our life and how it affects the whole world. And then I will share with you a framework backed by psychology research and highly popular principle, which will improve your self-control drastically. So let's first talk about self-control. But before that, in the comment section, rate your self-control in range from 1 to 10. We all know, self-control is the root of societal ills, ranging from financial debt to marital infidelity, from obesity to criminality. Whatever you are today is because of your self-control. One might be fit and healthy, other might be lazy and obese. These are the results of keeping control on your daily habits. These are results of your goals that you might have set, or if you not at all have set any goals. A good self-control is central to success across all life domains. So guys, have you heard of cybernetic principles? Cybernetic principle was first defined by Norbert Wiener in 1948 in his book Study of Control and Communication in the Animal and the Machine. The cybernetic model suggests that control relies on three separate processes. First, setting goals. Second, monitoring when behavior diverges from goals. And third, implementing behavior aligned with goals. So guys, are you with me till here? Say yes with the timestamp in the comment section as we will start discussing how to apply Cybernetics Principle to improve self-control. The first step, the most important step for improving self-control is to set a goal. What are goals? Goals are the future desired state that differ from the current state. You should consider goal setting as a process of creating and realizing the difference between what you want to become like and what you are currently like. The simple act of setting a specific, challenging, yet attainable goal leads to better self-control than setting a vague goal or not setting a goal at all. For example, you can follow a diet easily if you set a specific goal like, I will have salad twice a day, as opposed to, I will eat healthy food. Setting up concrete goal will help you in goal monitoring and create a feedback loop which we will discuss next. Remember guys, not all goals are equal. Only goals which are self-aligned, internally driven, and are personally meaningful to you will contribute to higher self-control than those which you set for social acceptance. You will follow your self-aligned goals even in extremely fatigue situations. So now that you have set your specific goal, the next step in improving and establishing self-control is goal monitoring. But before we start discussing, I ask you to please subscribe our channel and hit the like button. Goal monitoring is paying attention to the differences in your goal and current behavior. This will alert you for the possibility that you are getting away from your goal. We should pay attention to how and when did our goal fail. What is the situation that caused the goal failure? For example, a person trying to quit junk food must pay attention to situations in which he or she is likely to face the temptation. So by becoming aware that her current behavior is in conflict with her no junk food goal, he or she is better poised to stop themselves from eating, and thus create a better self-control. In this way you are creating a conflict monitoring system. I repeat, conflict monitoring system. It monitors for conflicts between your goal and current behavior. It will kind of give a brain alert when you are about to make a goal mistake. To increase the power of your conflict monitoring system, you need to increase mindfulness. Now, what is mindfulness and how to increase mindfulness? We will make a separate video on that. But to give you a glimpse of mindfulness, mindfulness means focusing on the present moment. The next step is feedback for your behavior, accepting your errors or accepting your mistakes. The conflict monitoring step may seem like condemning your mistakes and errors. But that's the half truth. You should condemn your errors, but at the same time, you should accept them. You should not feel bad about them. When you will accept your mistakes positively, you will gain the ability to attend them without distraction and you will be able to respond to them adaptively. Acceptance, in other words, sharpens conflict monitoring. After you accept your goal mistake, you should create a feedback. You should analyze about what went wrong with my behavior? What can I do to avoid these situations? Thus, creating a feedback loop with the conflict monitoring system will sharpen your self control drastically. So, guys, are you with me till here? Or you lost your self control? If yes, say yes in the comment section. And if not yet, don't forget to subscribe. I know, guys, till now it was quite intense, but it is important. Let me now give you some simple steps from above discussion, which you can easily apply. So, your first step is goal setting. Set up a goal which is specific, achievable, which has your personal values. The second step is implementation with monitoring. Monitor your current behavior. Are your actions matching what your goal needs? Are there any distractions or divergence from your goal? From monitoring, some questions will arise. This is your next step. Create a feedback. Look for situations which get you make mistakes and error. Using this feedback, implement in a way which will help you avoid these situations. In this way, you will create a feedback loop to your implementation and monitoring system. So on in the loop, your behavior will get refined. And in this way, your self-control will get a boost. Hit the like button, comment what you feel, and please subscribe to our channel. Thank you, guys.